Wow! Miami is beautiful.
Ha ha!
This will be our best vacation. We need a room in a hotel.
Go ahead into room number 370.
Wow, so beautiful scene. I am very enjoy, Mom.
Ha 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 ha!
Why not, Emma? We are enjoying too.
Mom, look what I found. A starfish and so many pretty shells.
Wow, sweetheart. These are amazing finds. That starfish is so beautiful. Let's keep it safe in your bucket.
Oh no, Mom. Dad.
The weather is changing.
Everyone, please leave the beach now. A hurricane is coming.
The wind is much stronger now.
Please stay calm. A hurricane warning has been issued.
Dad, what is a hurricane?
A hurricane is a very powerful storm with strong wind and heavy rain.
Mommy, I'm scared.
The streets are filling with water. We must stay inside. Please take only your important bags. A bus will take everyone to the emergency.
Please move quickly and stay together. Don't worry, honey. We're together.
I have never seen a storm like this.
A rescue team is helping an elderly couple cross the flooded street.
Helping others makes us stronger.
Look. The shelter, we made it. Thank God, we're finally safe.
Of course. Let's get you all warm and dry. You are safe here. Please stay calm. Everyone listens carefully.
Oh no. Very dark. I scared, Mom. Oh, thank goodness. The lights are back.
Look at that wind. It's getting worse out there.
Are we really safe in here?
Yes, sweetheart. These walls are strong.
I don't like that sound.
Here, sir. Let me carry that for you.
Thank you, young man. That's very kind.
The sun is out again. The storm is finally over, sweetheart.
The hurricane has passed. You may leave carefully.
Ha 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 ha!
Whoa, look at all this damage. The trees are all broken.
Come on, let's clean this street up. Teamwork makes it so much easier.
Bye, Miami. I'll always remember.